Stop.
I don't really wanna try and change your mind. If you can find a way to love me, it's alright. But you don't wanna wake up alone. You want someone to keep you warm. And if you're cold inside, I'll start a fire, but you just let it die. And if you're lost inside, I'll be your guide. The moonlight in your sky. But you know I can't stop you from leaving. You know I can't stop you from leaving. Everybody needs some space for breathing. Yeah. You know I can't stop you from leaving.
What? Damn, they got everything. They got a little arcade.
You can tell who's from here because they dress like really nice.
I know. Wow. Man, look at this hotel though.
I barely fit in here.
Bounjour.
We're gonna schedule one song only.
Baby, how do you feel? Paris.
Now I feel like I'm in Europe.
Well, it's crazy, huh? Bounjour. It's like every spot's picture worthy, huh? It's crazy. How are you feeling right now with the whole Paris vibes? Like, how do you like it?
I'm not done anything. Relax, bro. Relax, bro. Let me get to the Eiffel Tower first, bro.
Where are you from? Los Angeles.
Los Angeles.
Very far.
Yeah. Nice.
Merci.
Merci.
Bon appetit.
I like that. First crepe of the trip. Damn.
Want to try it?
You try it first. It's your hot dog.
This is a hot dog?
Oh, yeah? Mom? The face. What?
Wait, hold on.
Your taste buds are developing it?
It's weird.
Let me see.
I think it's the cheese.
Let me see. That is bomb.
I don't think I like cheese from here. Or is that egg?
No?
Yeah, I'm taking another bite.
That's crazy. Wait. We gotta go up. What the heck? My calves are gonna be sore. I thought it was an elevator. Ooh. Ooh. We're here. Oh my god. Look at that. Wow. And we got the top of Arc de Triomphe.
It took like 300 million steps to get everywhere.
Look at this view though.
You're recording! Annoying.
Ah, I got you.
What?
That's a video.
You're annoying.
Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that.
Can we like walk that way afterwards?
Yeah, I think it's the pathway. Let's go that way. Wow. I'm so shook right now. Yeah, look at that. Wow. 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 Over here, bro. Oh, wow. Paris. Bounjour. Amazou.
What I read?
What?
9 a.m. is the least full.
Really? Wow. This is so dope though. The world famous. You excited to see your homegirl Mona Lisa?
I'm actually excited for breakfast.
Why don't you like museums? They're so dope.
I just can't get into it.
I was like, where's the pyramid at? No, you know this isn't the pyramid, right? We're like outside the pyramid, right? Oh, I answered my own question. This building is a museum. Duh. You know how Logic takes that album picture?
Yeah,
That's
how we really know it by Logic?
Yeah. It's Les Noches de Cana. Where's our homegirl at? She's right there.
Where?
Right there. There she is, right there, Mona Lisa. Ooh, is that the spot? Wow, let's get some for sure. Man, it's like original, you know, like even in a bag. Damn, it's like a Pandora, like Sephora, like that Max. Man, that's a better pair than the ones in the US.
This sounds juicy.
Better than the apple pear. Better than the brown pear.
A car.
Better than the green pear. Are those snails?
Gotta go. Yep, this is now.
Can I try it?
It's €9 for a whole thing. You want to get that?
I'm scared.
I'm not gonna eat any of it. Don't make that face. Give me this. I don't know. I think you. No, I think you like this. I'm not sure.
Oh, there's something in there.
Ready?
Yeah.
So heck go.
Emmanuel.
Bon appetit. Oh, it's not bad.
For real?
It's not bad. It's actually pretty good. Let me see them get another one. Come on, my little friend.
You're sick.
Gary, where are you?
Stop.
Come on, my little friend Gary. Whoa, there's literally that cross, boo.
Ew.
Look at that.
It's good?
Somebody got convinced.
It's because I'm in France.
No, get that one right here. It's already out.
Well, ew, this is.
Just pull it out.
I used to kill these as a kid. I don't think I want to do this anymore.
Just pull it out. Come on, Gary. You gotta try it. You're in Paris. 3, 2, 1, go! Could have been done already. Ooh, it's bomb. It's good.
That's weird.
You did it though. Bon appetit, Gary. Coco Chanel. Bonjour. How many euros?
How much?
Yeah.
It's 128.
Euros?
Yes, euros.
And then, yeah? Instead of the other one? Oh, it smells lovely.
Very, very nice.
Yeah.
I'm gonna share with my mom.
It smells bomb.
That's not the one she wants though.
No?
No. I think it's that last one.
The men one smells so good. Oh, thank
For
you.
you, mini size of blue.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. And this is the gift, and I for you a lot of St. Paul.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so
Welcome.
much.
And this
Damn, boy, you got 2 bags of Chanel.
No, one for my mommy and one for me.
Damn, girl. Oh, look.
What?
There's locks on that. You want to do it on that?
On someone else's lock? Yeah, we could sit on someone else's lock.
Alright. Oh,
Can you
about to
see?
put our lock, yeah. And throw the key.
And my mama.
And throw the key to the river. It's crazy. They took off all the locks, so all they got is that.
What's our date?
Seriously.
Yeah. July?
05/11/13. Come on. Come on, iGus and Chels. About to put it on. Our lock. Hopefully it's there forever.
Ready?
Yep.
Let's toss it in there.
Alright. Woo! It's gone. Happy New Year. Actually, Happy New Year's Eve. Doubles. What are you gonna order, dog? Ready to watch some fireworks, baby?
Imagine there's none.
No, there has to be some. Look at all these people right here.
Why are they just here to see it?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Comment ça va, mademoiselle?
Tired.
Oui. It's New Year. Happy
2019 now.
2019. Back in LA, it's still
Like.
2018, but it's like what, like 4 o'clock over there?
That's like 8 more hours to New Year's.
We're 9 hours ahead. So they still got more 2018 to enjoy.
We just at the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, we watched some fireworks.
And we are walking all the way to our hotel because the traffic is insane. There's no buses. Probably takes like 30 minutes to get into the metro station. So
It's like a 40-minute walk and I have blisters.
well, from the Eiffel Tower was an hour and 10. Wait, 11.
So we've been walking for like 30 minutes
We have
already.
40 minutes left.
Yeah, so it's crazy. But once we get there, we gotta go to sleep because we're gonna go to Disneyland.
Cold inside, I'll start a fire, but you just let it die. And if you're lost inside, I'll be your guide. The moonlight in your sky, but you know I can't stop you from leaving. You know I can't stop you from leaving. Everybody needs the space for breathing. Yeah. You know I can't stop you from leaving. You know I can't stop.
Wow, we're in here. Yeah, we made it. Woo. Best ride at Disneyland? Whoa. I know, but so far. Well, how do you rate this Space Mountain compared to the one back home? Way better, huh? Look at that boy! Yeah, look at that boy. Hey, no cheating. Look, I got cheating on you.
Yeah. You know I can't stop you from leaving.